Your eyes are a nice blue. When I was little, it was my favourite colour. Everything in my room was blue.
Well, you know, I was the same with tractors. It's funny how you go through phases. I can't actually think of a single tractor-related thing I own now.
Well, we'll just go check on dinner then.
Shit!
You okay?
Oh, I burnt the veggies, and if I set the fire alarm off, the whole building has to evacuate.
Stand back.
How on earth did you do that?
I told you, I'm an ex-tractor fan.